You spend $500 on a camera and still sounds like you are filming in a bathroom? That ends now. Meet the Insta360 Mic Air, your audio game changer gear. This tiny 7.9 grams mic doesn't just sound good, it controls your camera, works across devices, and fits everywhere. And yeah, it finally fixes the X5's biggest flaw. Bad video is forgivable, bad audio, no. Keep watching to see how this little mic will improve your content. Let's begin with the unboxing of the Insta360 Mic Air, the ultra-compact wireless mic solution. This is a retail package for the Insta360 Mic Air with one transmitter and one receiver, often referred to as 1TX plus 1RX combo. Super small box, eco-friendly packaging. First, we've got the receiver. This small USB-C dongle plugs right into your camera or smartphone, instantly linking with the transmitter. Next, the star of the kit, the transmitter mic. It weighs just 7.9 grams, incredibly light and pocketable. Included is a strong magnetic button, perfect for securing the mic under your shirt without using a clip. Here is a furry windshield. It snaps onto the mic and helps reduce the wind noise for a clear outdoor audio. You will also find the magnetic pendant, another way to wear the mic discreetly under clothing. Charging is handled by this magnetic dock. With a USB-A plug, it snaps securely onto the mic for fast charging. Last but not least, the magnetic clip. It provides another mounting option, like placing the mic on a strap or pocket. That's everything in the box. Sleek, light and magnetically modular, the Insta360 Mic Air is designed for creators on the move.
And let's admit that most of the users who purchase Insta360 X5, they use this camera outdoor. Nobody sitting with Insta360 X5 in the room and filming themselves. So the one missing part was a good sound quality. Insta360 has fixed this problem as well. They have introduced the new Insta360 Air mic, and here it is. This little guy can be easily connected to Insta360 X5 or Insta360 Ace Pro 2 cameras without any additional receivers. You can also purchase the pack with transmitter and receiver, and in this case you'll be able to film with your favorite mobile phones directly using native cameras.
Now let's connect Mic Air and see how it works. First, power on the Insta360 X5 camera. Swipe down and go to Settings, Bluetooth and Mic. Now take the Mic Air transmitter and press and hold the button for around 6 seconds. You will see the indicator start blinking rapidly. This means it has entered the pairing mode. Important tip: the Mic Air has two pairing modes. Blue blinking for direct pairing with Insta360 cameras. Cyan blinking for pairing with a receiver. If it's blinking cyan color but you want to connect to the camera directly, just double press the button on the mic. It will switch to the blue blinking mode. Once it's in the blue blinking mode, look back at your X5. It should show Mic Air on the Bluetooth device list. Tap to connect. Once connected, the mic indicator will turn solid blue. Let's test it. Press the mic button once and your X5 will start recording. Press again, it stops. Double press the mic button to enable noise reduction. It turns green. Double press again to disable. Back to blue. Triple press mutes or unmutes. Indicator turns red when it's muted. Go into audio settings in your X5 and you will see a new option, dual track audio. This lets you capture both the built-in mic and Mic Air track. Later in post you can decide which track to keep. Now let's connect the Mic Air to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The process is almost identical. Power on the Ace Pro 2, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Mic. On the Mic Air, press and hold the button for 6 seconds. If it's blinking cyan, double press to switch to blue for direct camera connection. Tap on the Mic Air in the Ace Pro 2 Bluetooth list. Once connected, use the button to start and stop the recording just like before. Let's say you want to record with your phone. Just plug USB receiver into your Android or iPhone or USB-C equipped device. On iPhone 14 or older, you will need a Lighting to USB-C adapter. Plug it in and you're ready. The receiver lights up cyan when paired. If the transmitter in the wrong pairing mode, double press until it blinks cyan color. If it keeps blinking too long, just power cycle it. It will automatically reconnect. The transmitter button still works for starting stopping the recording. The receiver has a side button for toggling between 3 mic gain levels. When muted, the receiver glows red, which is very helpful to avoid recording silence by mistake. The windshield is an essential tool for protecting sound against the wind noise. Installation is easy but tricky. Align the button on the Mic Air with the button cut out on the windshield. If you don't do this, you might cover the control button and won't be able to operate it. Once it's correctly aligned, the wind protection is excellent in outdoor or breezy conditions. Let's talk the real-world distance. Insta360 claims up to 300 meters of range with the receiver in ideal obstacle-free conditions. In my personal test, I got around 100 meters using the receiver before any signal disruption.
Alright, so approximately standing almost 80 to 90 meters, and I will check later if it still works or not. I'm gonna enable now the noise reduction. Double press. Now the noise reduction has been enabled. I'm nearby the sea, it's a light wind, and actually I hope that it will reduce the noise and the waves sound really good. We will see it later. Okay, now I will disable the noise reduction. Disabled. Cool. So here it is. I'm coming closer and closer.
Even when I turned my back to the camera, the signal was solid and noise reduction worked flawlessly. Directly pairing to the camera, X5 or H Pro 2 gives you a max of around 50 meters. In my field test, I maintained stable audio up to 40 meters, but anything beyond that became unreliable, especially without line of sight. So if you want the best range possible, use a receiver.
15 meters from the mic. I want to hit to up to 20 meters from the camera. I hope it is still recording me. I can't see the camera anymore. So now it is 25. The wind is still blowing. I hope that you can still hear me. It's approximately 10 meters away from the mic, which is cool, and I can still see that it is connected. 10 meters, 15 meters already from the camera. It is still connected. The noise reduction is on. I'm at the distance of 20 meters from the camera and it is still connected. You know, I must say that I couldn't believe that such a small camera will have such a long distance range to be connected to the camera. So noise reduction is still on. Let me disable noise reduction, just double click. Alright, nice. Now the noise reduction is off, just a regular sound. I'm still backing off. Wow, it's more than 35 meters and it is still connected, and I'm still using the Mic Air from such a distance. It's crazy. I mean, it's really cool to know. So guys, just wanted to demonstrate you the differences between how the Insta360 X5 will record you using single lens mode pointed directly to me using Mic Air now. So now it is using their Insta360 Mic Air. Just continue filming now using the mic from the Insta360 X5. The Mic Air is now disabled, it's actually off, and the sound goes directly to the camera. We have a slight side wind, and let's see if it will affect the video or not.
Here are two essential tips to avoid confusion. Auto reconnects. The Mic Air automatically connects to the last paired camera. If you switch cameras or devices, make sure disconnect the previous connection first. And if you need to update the Mic Air, open the Insta360 app. Go to Me, Accessory Settings. Turn on the Mic Air and enter pairing mode. Connect via the app. If a firmware update is available, you will see a prompt. Just follow the instructions. It's a smooth process.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, just drop them below and I'll be glad to read them and answer to them. As always, take care, cheers, and see you in the next one. Bye.